Hello everyone, it's me again with another easy, healthy vegan recipe. So today we'll be making a creamy, vegan, cheesy, high-protein pasta. So I'm gonna be using this, which is organic edamame and mung bean fettuccine. So as we can see, it's high protein, it's vegan friendly, and the protein of this pasta is absolutely incredible. So for 100 grams, we have 42 grams of protein, which is incredible. And the ingredients are very clean as well. We have organic edamame bean flour, green soybeans, and organic mung bean flour. That is the cleanest kind of ingredients for pasta I've ever seen. So we're gonna make a cheesy sauce, and then we're gonna cook some of our pasta and we're gonna mix it together, and that's pretty much it. Really, this recipe comes out in under 10 minutes, to be honest. So yeah, let's get started. Right, so you're gonna need 1 can of drained butter beans, 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds, 1 clove of garlic, 120 milliliters of water, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, touch of salt, touch of black pepper, a couple of leaves of basil. Now let's blend. And there we have it, our vegan cheesy sauce. Right, so I've cooked 2.5 cups of pasta, so uncooked 2.5 cups of pasta, and this is the cooked result from that edamame protein pasta that I showed you earlier. And now I'm gonna add my sauce to it. Right, so pasta is served, and now you can add your desired toppings, from tomatoes to avocado to really anything else, or just eat as it is. So as you can see, I've gone for a little bit of avocado, a bit of basil at the top, and a touch of smoked paprika. And this is pretty much it, guys. It's high protein, creamy, and it also is nut-free as well, just in case you can't tolerate nuts. This is just the perfect high protein vegan pasta. Perfect for people who exercise and want to gain muscle, or just if you want to have a filling pasta for dinner that's done under 10 minutes.